Apple cider vinegar has been a traditional health remedy for over 1,000 years. It is made from fermented apple juice and offers many benefits and uses. This holistic remedy is often overlooked. It is easy to find, inexpensive, and easily forgotten. It's extremely potent and can help you boost your health in many different ways if used properly. Before we even begin to look at the health benefits, here's something you should remember. How much apple cider vinegar do you need? This is one of those remedies you should take in moderation. You can have 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar mixed in 1 cup of water per day if you're just beginning. Undiluted apple cider vinegar will cause tooth enamel to be weaker because it is acidic in nature. You can consume 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with water every day after a week. Mixing 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 100 milliliters water should suffice to make it drinkable. After about a month, you can increase your daily intake to 2 tablespoons. It's not necessary to consume more than 2 tablespoons as it is not recommended. Let's now look at the amazing health benefits of this amazing potion. Lowers blood sugar levels. This is a powerful benefit that is great for those suffering from type 2 diabetes. Apple cider vinegar can help improve insulin sensitivity. It can reverse diabetes when combined with a low-carb lifestyle. Before you attempt this treatment, it is best to consult your doctor. Aids indigestion. Probiotics are found in apple cider vinegar, which can aid with digestion. It will not only regulate your stomach acids but also improve your gut health. Heart health is improved. Regular consumption of apple cider vinegar has been shown to lower bad cholesterol levels, LDL. This will prevent strokes and help you avoid cardiovascular disease. Greater weight management. Do you want to lose weight? Apple cider vinegar can help you lose weight. It will curb your appetite, and because it stabilizes insulin levels, you'll eat less. Your body won't be storing as much fat. Anticancer properties. The body's pH levels can be maintained by using apple cider vinegar. The anticancer theory states that cancer cells can't thrive in an alkaline environment. The vinegar acidifies the body so that cancer cells cannot grow. Although there are many opinions in the medical world about the efficacy of apple cider vinegar, it is safe to consume some every day. It's also antibacterial and can help eliminate any pathogens. Apple cider vinegar can also be used to treat other diseases. Are you suffering from acne? Apply some apple cider vinegar to your skin. It can be applied to your hair to strengthen your follicles. Apply undiluted apple vinegar to warts for a few days. The wart will shrink and eventually die. This supplement is versatile and can be used to treat many conditions, including migraines, sinuses. Find out how to use it in your everyday life to improve your health. Apple cider vinegar is a holistic remedy that you should keep in your medicine cupboard. Give it a shot today.